Welcome to Monday Mods. Today we're going to be installing this trunk lip spoiler on Ethan's GT86. Just be a couple Rivnuts, looks like 4 of them. And we'll show you how to center it up, how to drill out the holes, how to press in the Rivnuts, and get it all installed. Okay, as far as tools go, it's a pretty simple install. We're just going to need some painter's tape, a tape measure, a drill, a Riv-nut tool, and an Allen key set. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is actually find center on the trunk lid, and then we're going to find center on the spoiler. We're going to use the tip of the Toyota emblem as the full center. We're going to mark that with a piece of tape, and then we're going to take the center of the lid, so that way we can set it and then mark the holes. Okay, so we marked center with a piece of tape, and we marked center with a piece of tape, and then I drew a small line to get this at the right height. So I mocked it up and looked at where it was to make sure that we were going to have room to put the bolts in and the Rivnuts, and that the spoiler would end up at the right height. Next thing to do is to mark the holes, then we break out the drill. Okay, so obviously we don't want to drill all the way through the spoiler, so I've gone ahead and taped off part of the bit, so that way as I'm using the drill, I don't have to be concerned about going too far. So we're going to go ahead and drill out a couple of the holes. We'll do the first 2 holes, and then we'll do the last 2 on the corners. Okay, we got the holes drilled out. Now we're just going to insert our Rivnuts into the spoiler. Then we'll use our Riv-nut tool to expand out the back side of the flange and hold it tight in place. Our hardware came with 3 different pieces. We have a actual Allen head, we have a recessed washer, and a flat washer. The recessed washers go on the visual side, the flat washers go on the back to kind of give you a little bit of spacing away from the factory spoiler to keep any type of scratching or vibrational scarring to a minimum. Okay, now that we have these 2 installed, what we'll do is we'll hold this flush, mark it, drill the corners, 2 more to go, and we'll be done. Okay, so we tightened our last 2 fasteners, marked our last 2 holes. We'll take the spoiler back off, drill out the last 2 sections, install 2 more Rivnuts, and we should be done. Okay everyone, we got the spoiler installed. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. Turned out really nice, flat and even. Make sure you continue to check out all of our videos. Subscribe to Monday Mods. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. We'll see you next time.